There's few things in life more relaxing than watching a waterfall. This waterfall is just cascading down into this beautiful starfire aquarium. And this is a starfire glass door as well. So there's absolutely no green tint in either the door here that I'm looking through or the glass in the fish tank. So we're getting true colour in the fish and the plants. So pretty much like a HD fish tank. As you can imagine, this aquarium has very good aeration. So this was once a planter box, and in the planter box we've converted into a waterfall and an aquarium. So the fish have only just gone in today, so they're just getting used to the place. We've got our sump filter down there underneath with our pumps for the waterfall and all the electrical done